Hello and welcome to Sawdust and Cornbread. I'm so glad you're here. Over the next 6 days, I'll bring you inside some of Montgomery County's most charming historic homes, each lovingly decorated for Christmas. As we explore together, you'll find inspiration, thoughtful decorating ideas, and the cozy feeling of the holidays. This series is all about slowing down, enjoying the beauty of the season, and making simple memories that last. If something brings a smile or sparks an idea, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Your stories make this community feel like home. You can say thanks by liking, sharing, and mostly by tapping the hype button below the video. This helps me spread the holiday cheer even further. So pour yourself a warm cup of tea or cocoa, settle in, and let's enjoy the 2025 Holiday Home Tour together. I hope this series brings you a sense of peace, comfort, and holiday cheer. Built on land originally from the next door Oaks property, this home was commissioned by Carrie Whitehead Boswell in 1932. The home itself is built in the Victorian Revival style, a particularly imposing brand of colonial revival. An avid genealogist, Miss Boswell believed she was descended from the family of George Washington. Miss Boswell referred to her home as Lone Oak. I was instantly enamored by this home before I ever entered the beautiful red dwarf flanked by yellow bricks, as I heard the story of a single mother during the Depression era building a house on her own. As you watch this commentary-free video, you may think to yourself, this home is beautiful enough to be in a magazine. It did appear in an edition of Southern Living, as you'll see further in this video. Enjoy and God bless. This concludes today's tour of the Boswell House, otherwise known as Lone Oak. Thanks for joining me, and I'll be back tomorrow with another historic holiday home tour.